How do you know which barrier repair moisturizers are the best? Well, one way is if you have a cross-polarized microscope lying around, don't we all? You can look under that and look for a pattern called the Maltese cross pattern. And this pattern tells you that that barrier repair moisturizer mimics your skin's natural lipids. So it's better to have a moisturizer that has this Maltese cross pattern. So we analyze different barrier repair moisturizers on the market. And we're going to show you pictures of what they look like under the cross-polarized microscope and show you which ones have the best Maltese cross pattern. So there are several on the market in the United States that do. Most of the best ones come out of South Korea. They have amazing technology there for barrier repair. And so we found several moisturizers that have Maltese cross pattern under the microscope. And I'm thrilled because I have an impaired barrier, so I'm always looking for the best barrier repair moisturizers.